Today we'll be showing you how to set up D-Link's HD pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera, the DCS-5030L. In the box, we have the camera warranty information, quick install guide, quick install card with the camera's Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, Ethernet cable, mounting screws, camera mount, power adapter, and the camera. Start by downloading the free mydlink Lite app from the iTunes App Store or from Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, log into your account and select Add a new camera. Or if you don't have an account, start by selecting Sign up here. Next, you'll be asked to scan the QR code of the quick install card or device. You can also select No and select the model number from a list shown on the app. Then plug in your device and wait until the power LED on the front of the device blinks orange. The app will then ask if your router supports WPS. If it does and you would like to set up your device this way, select Yes. If not, skip ahead in the video for Direct Connect setup. After selecting Yes, you'll then press the WPS button on your router. Select Next on the app, and then within 1 minute, press and hold the WPS button on your camera until the WPS light blinks blue. Click Next in the app. When the power LED on the front of your device turns solid green, hit Ready. If your device is not found, try again and make sure that, number 1, your mobile device is connected to the network created by the router you press the WPS button on. Number 2, you press and hold the WPS button on the router until the Wi-Fi LEDs start blinking. Number 3, you press and hold the WPS button on the camera until the WPS LED blinks blue. Once connected, you'll be asked to create a password for your device. If you're new to mydlink, you'll be asked to create an account and verify your email, or you can add the camera to an existing mydlink account. You'll then see your connected camera listed in your remote devices. If you're setting up your camera using Direct Connect, scan the QR code, or choose No to select your camera model from the list. Then plug in your device. When the power LED on the front blinks orange, hit Next. When asked if there is a WPS button on your router, select No. Here you'll see 2 additional setup options. We'll walk you through direct connection, but you can also use Ethernet connection setup as well. After you select direct connection, hit Ready when your camera LED begins to blink orange. You'll then need to connect your phone or tablet to the camera's Wi-Fi network. On your mobile device, go to your Wi-Fi settings and enter the Wi-Fi name and password listed on the camera or quick install card. Once connected, navigate back to the mydlink Lite app and hit Next. You'll then be asked to reconnect to your home network through the mydlink Lite app. After your camera has successfully connected, you'll be asked to create a password for your device. If you're new to mydlink, you'll be asked to create an account and verify your email, or you can add the camera to an existing mydlink account. You'll then see your connected camera listed in your remote devices. Now you'll be able to view your Wi-Fi camera anywhere, anytime with the free mydlink Lite app. If at any time the setup process is not successful, reset the camera and try again, or visit support.dlink.com for assistance. Thanks for watching. See you next time.